long time no see. I thought I would come on today just to really quickly talk about a new planner craze called the Happynichi and why I think it's a great planner for most people, and it is actually the most affordable planner that I've ever found. So I kind of want to just talk about it and give you an overview if you're wondering what is a Happynichi, what does it look like, how do you make one. I want to just talk about that today, so hopefully this is helpful for you, and I will try to link stuff down below too so that you can find it. And if you haven't checked out my Etsy planner sticker shop yet, A Glittery Life Plans, please do so. Your support means so much to me, and again, I will link that down below. So let's start out with what a Happynichi is. So there is a planner called Hobonichi right now, and it is a much smaller version of this planner that you see in front of you. And it has, it's not a disc bound, it's just a hardbound planner, and it has very tissue paper thin like pages. So that never appealed to me. The size did not appeal to me, and the paper thinness did not appeal to me either. But what does appeal to me, because I love the disc bound. I am a team Happy Planner all the way. And so Happy Planner launched these half sheet notebooks, and all of a sudden I saw planner goals in that. So I bought one. Mine came with this cover, the stripes, and looks like little like cotton flowers, or I don't know what those flowers are, but and I think this is really cute and cheery, but it wasn't necessarily my total aesthetic. So I made a planner cover with this cardstock that I bought at Joann Fabrics, and I laminated it and then punched it with my punch, and believe me, thought I almost broke my punch. So that was like one of the first things I did, was swap out the cover. This is just a little dashboard that I made. Same thing, just laminating, just paper, actually, not even cardstock. And I put a little rose colored days pocket on it so I could put some of my little clips and flair there. And then I've just been going crazy, guys, making stuff with mine. I made this little tab divider. Once again, this is just a piece of clear acetate with little gold stars on it that is from Joann Fabrics, and I just punched it with my I have one of those like tab punches. So, and then this page right here is from, I'll link it down below. She's awesome. She has an Etsy shop. It's Alexis Marie, I think is what it is. I'm probably messing that up, but anyway, I'll link it down below because she makes printable inserts for the Happynichi planners, and I loved her intro page. So, and then I just was having a lot of fun one day foiling stuff, so I foiled a Louis Vuitton pattern and made just another little like divider, but I made it to the wrong size. So let's get, these are more of the Alexis Marie designs. That's what it is. Yeah, her Instagram is It's Alexis Marie, but her Etsy is Alex. Oh my gosh, I'm like butchering this so bad, you guys. I'm sorry. I don't feel good, and I'm just trying to film because I haven't filmed in months. Alex Marie Designs on Etsy. Again, I'll have that linked all below. So this is your 2019-2020 calendar at a glance. It's got some dot grid paper on it. I just took a Simply Gilded journal card and punched it, put a little tab on it. This is a rose colored days little clear insert calendar, which I need to order the rest of those from her for the summer. And then this is my May, like intro sheet. This is my May at a glance. And then basically what it is, you take the dot grid paper that comes in the Happy Notes notebook, and you create a planner with it. It's a lot like Bujo, the bullet journaling. So I've just sectioned mine off into days, and then I've made a lot of stickers that work for this size so that I have my weekly dates. I've got like, bullet point things. I've got little tiny stickers. I'm using some of my bow boxes, all kinds of stuff. So I have a lot of stickers that work for this. And then on this side, so this is kind of like the week at a glance. And then here is the Hobonichi tracks the weather, which that is the only thing that appealed to me out of that planner, because I am a weather obsessor, total weather dork. And so I love that I can track the weather in this cute little like section. So you can see you're basically designing your own. I'm using a lot of stickers from the Happy Planner journaling sticker books. In fact, I probably need to get more of those because I just like them a lot. I use them a lot. They have a lot of just the numbers, the dates, the month, that kind of stuff. So, but again, I'm using a lot of my own stickers to you know, that I've made. They work for the Hobonichi, but the cool thing about the Happynichi is they're sized perfectly for that as well. So you can see you got to just make your own layout every week. And I've pretty much stuck to this kind of like, you know, weekly layout, but there's a lot of different grids that you can do, and I'll start experimenting with some of those. Alex, she has lots of different like layout grids too in printables that you can print off if you don't want to actually take a ruler and take your dot grid, or if your Happy Notes came with lined paper instead of the dot grid paper, you can kind of adjust that. So I don't know, I just think it's really fun. I find myself that this is a better size for my purse. It's really lightweight too. And I haven't done a ton of planning in it. I mean, I've done all of May. That's when I started using this. So I've used it now for about a month, which is, I feel like I have a pretty good handle on like, do I love it? And the answer is yes. I've got to finish planning for this weekend with the weather. The weather has been so crazy here in LA. But the cool thing is this right here, this kit that I've used in this layout, I've used some Happy Planner stickers, but I've used a kit from a sticker shop that sells $2 Hobonichi Weeks kits. And that's the really cool thing, is now you can decorate your weekly layout with a Hobonichi kit, and mostly you can get those for $2. That's what this one is too. It's another $2 Hobonichi kit. And same with this one, I've used a $2 kit from, I believe this is Samantha May Sticks, but then I've also mixed this with Simply Gilded Washi, and this is not Simply Gilded Washi. This is, I can't think of what this shop is. And then some of the Free Spirit stickers. So it's just very personalized. You can really do a ton to it, which is a lot of fun. I've started working on June. I just made this like little fun little divider, and it spilled out, so I cut around it. So I don't know, it's just like I'm just making stuff to punch and put in it. I picked another Simply Gilded journal card for June. Here's my June like intro page where I'll put my June goals right here and right here. And then here's my June at a glance. And I made these wacky holiday stickers for June and July, and I think they're so cute. Like June 18th is International Splurge Day, National Kissing Day, National Forgiveness Day, National Pink Day, National Donut Day, Best Friends Day. So you can pick those up. Those are $2 in my shop too. So they're foiled. They're just really cute. Like, just, I think wacky holidays are fun. So, and then you can see I've made this, this is the first month that I've done the birthday tracker, and I love how this turned out. I used some of my bow dividers to kind of section that off. I need to finish filling that in. And then, oh, you know what? Actually, I decided that I was going to do a goals page. So I will actually use my intro page to jot down something like maybe inspirational, or I don't know, because here's actually my monthly June goals. But you can see all of these pages I'm getting to design and create myself. It's just on all like solid dot grid paper. So it's just a lot of fun if you are really creative, or if you want kind of just to design your own planner. And because the pages are relatively small, I'm just shopping my stash, and I'm using stickers out of my sticker books that I already have from Happy Planner, and I'm using a lot of washi tape, and you can see like a little bit goes a long way. And so like I've done all of my foiled Hobonichi / Happynichi stickers for $2 a sheet, because I think that everybody should be able to have like be able to afford foiled stickers in their planner, because they make such a difference. So you can see that that's kind of, I haven't done any June layouts yet, but that's just the gist of it. I have switched mine to larger discs, and actually I do have some metal discs that I'm going to put this onto. Another missized Louis Vuitton foiled. And then this is my July intro page. I did kind of get a little bit excited doing that, I thought. And then my July birthdays page. And then for July was the first month that I decorated for, I used one of Alex's monthly already made spreads. So this gives me a little bit more room to write in this instead of it just being such a big monthly calendar, which I think that's fine for me, because a month at a glance, I usually just use it as a month at a glance. So did a lot of decorating, and I used a week's kit for this from, I think this is Raspberry Days or Samantha May Sticks. I can't remember, but it's like the $2 kits. You can't beat that for a $2 Tuesday. And then I used some of my, oh no, these are not my foil date covers. I've used those somewhere, but I do have $2 Tuesday foiled date covers coming out this week. So that's exciting. Anyway, that's as far as I've done, but let me show you too. So I made this top divider tab, just same thing, laminating. And then I've got this if I need it to like do some more like daily planning, and I can obviously always put this into the week where I'm working. So if I just need some more space for that, if I'm working on a project. I have a savings tracker that I created. Here's an expense tracker that I have not used yet. And then this is just, I love this. I don't know why this is in the back right now. I'm using it as a divider, but I made this little dashboard. I need to put this back in the front. So, and then these are amazing. This is from Alex, also from one of her printables. This is her shopping list, and she has it split up into categories, which, hello, is that going to make my life so much easier or what? I just didn't have any like that before. So, and then I just have some, just note paper back here so I can jot down ideas as I have them. And then I have a cute little pocket here in the back. I don't know how this got stuck in the back, but, and this pocket, I need to make some more pockets. I think they're so cute. So with this a little like die cut, I never know what to do with these. So I stuck this one in there. So anyway, that is my Happynichi. It gives you a good example of what a Happynichi is and how you can just really customize it and tailor it to yourself. So right now, this is how thick mine is, but I do anticipate it probably getting a little bit thicker, but you know, not by a lot. I don't know. It's hard to say. So anyway, I have stopped using my mini, which is crazy because I'm just using this and I love this so much. I still am using my giant Command Center classic sized Happy Planner that I Franken planned. But to be quite honest, I really haven't used a lot of the other sections. So I probably did not need to go so crazy and Franken plan that thing. But this is the ultimate Franken planning, I feel like, is the Happynichi. So hopefully that helps you understand kind of like what a Happynichi is and how to set one up. And the cool thing is you can do it however you want to. And honestly, if you can't find the Happy Notes notebook, you can buy the dot grid paper and then you can just make your own cover and everything. Or you can actually just buy all the inserts from Alex and then you can just put it on your own discs, make your own cover. You could even take an actual Happy Planner cover. I've seen people that are just slicing them to the size and apparently they're not coming open on the side. So you can really easily make one of these. The Happy Notes notebooks are only $9.99, and if you use a coupon, which there's always a coupon or they're always on sale, you can really get it for about $6. So you're talking about creating a planner for under $10 is pretty awesome. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave your Happynichi questions down below, and you can always follow along on Instagram at A Glittery Life Plans. And if you haven't subscribed yet, and you are into planner videos or makeup videos, then go ahead and give this channel a subscribe, like, all that good stuff. So thanks, you guys. See you later.